Your laziness will keep you broke forever. Now, who am I and why am I qualified to talk about this? Well, I used to also work a 9 to 5 job back in the UK. I've worked around 3 to 4 different types of jobs until one day I've decided, you know what, I've had enough. And I decided to quit my 9 to 5 job and move to Dubai. And now I run a 6-figure coaching business where I help 9 to 5ers or any beginners really. I scale them up to 10K a month within 3 months of my program. And the way I do this is I help you leverage your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Now, if this does sound interesting, you can either DM me on Instagram or you can click the link in the description and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is jump on a call and see how I can help you. Now, enough about me, right? This video is talking about people that are lazy, okay? And now when I say lazy, I don't mean that you work a 9 to 5 job, you work long hours, you work so many shifts, your travel to the work is hard, all of that kind of stuff. I've done it and I've been there. A lot of you will argue that no, you're not lazy because you work so hard in your job and follow orders from someone else and you do a lot of shifts, you work long hours, etc. That doesn't mean you're not lazy, okay? The reason I say you guys are lazy is because you can't think beyond a 9 to 5 job. A lot of you guys just rely on your 9 to 5 job and become comfortable. And then after your 9 to 5 job, you come home, maybe you put on some Netflix. After that, you might play some video games, you play for hours, then you realize the time is quite late, so you're gonna go to sleep, so you can wake up the next day to go to your 9 to 5 job. And finally, when the weekend comes, you either go out, spend some money, or you then come home, watch some Netflix again, play some video games again, maybe even spend money on designer shit. Then when it comes to Sunday evening, you regret everything you've done because now you've got work the next day. And then this whole cycle just keeps repeating itself. And this is why I say people that are essentially stuck in this cycle, you guys are very, very lazy. And it's this laziness that's going to keep you broke. Now, I used to do this when I was around 19, 20. And I guess you can say I was fairly young at the time. Then around 23, 24, I then fixed up and started my own YouTube channel. And I started a few other online businesses around that time too. Now, all of those businesses failed. But even though those businesses failed, they taught me a lot and they gave me so much experience as well, because you're going to fail your first few businesses. No one basically starts a business and just becomes a success overnight. It does take time. But because I worked on those businesses back when I was younger, now I'm able to understand a lot more and have more knowledge and experience than a lot of people who have just decided that they're going to waste their time instead. And I regret wasting time around 19, 20 because I know 20-year-olds now that are making 70 grand a month. And I just think to myself, if I had locked in then, I would definitely be further in my life right now. And I definitely regret it. But the thing is, a lot of you guys don't regret it. Or maybe you do, because I know some people that do regret it, but they keep carrying on doing the same thing. You need to think beyond a 9 to 5 job, especially if, the money is tight, because I know a lot of you guys work, 40 hours a week and you come home with $2,000, $3,000 or $4,000. Just think about that, 40 hours a week to make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 when there is people making 70 grand a month working less than 15 hours a week. That should bother you and that should make you think that, okay, if there's 20-year-olds doing that, I should definitely be able to do that. And 100% anyone can. But when I say stuff like your laziness is keeping you broke forever, it's because it's a lack of action. You're not taking the required action that it takes to essentially quit your 9 to 5 job so you can make some money online. Now, the reason I say make money online, right? Because physical businesses generally require startup costs. And a lot of people don't have that, especially if you're lazy, right? You probably not save that much money. You're probably not making that much money. So you don't have any startup capital that you can invest in a business, because starting any type of physical business requires a lot of startup capital. For example, rent, for example, furniture, for example, staff, all of that kind of things. Now, if you've got like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 laying around, then what you need to do is invest that in yourself. The best way to invest that in yourself is by signing up to a coaching program. Now, obviously, I run my own coaching program where I help 9 to 5ers start an info business where they can sell their skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Now, I'm not just saying join my program. There are tons of other programs that you can join. So whether you invest in my program or someone else's, make sure you invest in yourself. Now, how do you stop being lazy? How do you actually get out of being lazy and actually work on something that's going to help you? Well, the first thing that you need to do is just take action, right? A lot of people, when it comes to taking action, what they do instead is they start thinking about it. So they start thinking, okay, cool, I'm going to start a business. I need to start a business. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. They start thinking about the whole business in their mind. They think about the whole journey in their mind. What tends to happen when you do that is that it becomes overwhelming, which means that you don't start. And you do this every time. And I know a lot of people that do this, because I used to be like this at one point in my life, where you keep thinking and keep thinking and keep thinking, but you don't do. Like there was a quote I saw, the thinker will just keep thinking, but the person that keeps doing will become successful. So don't be a thinker, be a doer. Sometimes just start a business without thinking. Start a business and then just keep going on with the journey. Take one small step at a time. Don't overthink the whole process. Now, a lot of you guys are now going to ask me, okay, what business model should I do? You're probably thinking about drop shipping, affiliate marketing, creating content on YouTube, or creating content on TikTok. Look, don't get me wrong, these are all fantastic business models and I've done pretty much all of them. But the best business model that any beginner can start, where you can make a significant amount of money, is by having your own coaching program. Now, you're probably asking, what is a coaching program? So essentially, this is where you sell skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. For example, there's a woman here who teaches people how to knit, and she makes 18 grand a month. She charges $1,000 a month for her program. She has 18 clients and she gets on a group call with these clients every week for an hour and she makes 18 grand. Very, very simple. There's another person that I know that has a program called Stop Drinking Alcohol. So essentially helps people stop drinking alcohol. He charges 8K a month. He has 10 clients. He makes 80 grand a month. So you need to find something that you're good at, so a skill or some knowledge that you can pass on to someone else, and then charge a high ticket price for that program. So a high ticket price is anything over $2,500, $3,000. And then you can have like a 3-month program or a 4-month program or even a 6-month program. Again, it depends on your niche, it depends on your skill, it depends on your knowledge. Then all you need to do is create a YouTube channel, create your landing page or calendar page, put that in your YouTube description, film videos just like I'm doing right now, talk about your niche, talk about your program, talk about solving problems, start providing value on your YouTube channel. What will happen is eventually when you keep posting, you keep making videos, you will start getting more and more views. People will then click on your link in the description and book in a call with you, and then will pay you money so you can start providing them that knowledge or skill. Honestly, guys, it's as easy as that, and you can make some serious money. Because for example, if you only charge $5,000, well, if you get 10 clients, you'll make 50 grand. A lot of you guys aren't even making that in a year. And just think, you'd only be working 10 hours a week if you provide 1 hour of your time every week for a 3-month program. That's 50 grand working 10 hours a week compared to you working 40 hours a week making 2 or 3 grand. So you can already see how much money you can make doing this business model. Now, if you do need help starting this business model, where I'll basically help you every step of the way and basically get you your first 10K within 3 months of working with me, well, you can either DM me on Instagram or you can click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is we'll jump on a call and I'll see how I can help you. So if every day after work you are feeling lazy, you realize that what you're doing isn't correct, you need to make a change today. Don't think I'm gonna start on Monday. Don't think I'm gonna start tomorrow. Make that change today. The best time to take action is right now, because what will happen is if you delay it, it's going to keep being delayed. But if you start today, then you will start taking more action towards it tomorrow, the next day, and further on. So don't let your laziness be the reason that you're broke forever, because I know so many people like this who just waste their time. Especially if you're in your mid to late 20s, you're wasting time, because this is the time you should be grinding and working on a business. Now, for the guys that play video games, right, you're probably building up your character on GTA, or let's say you're playing FIFA, you're building up your team. Why not build up your business? Why not build up a business? That's even more fun, because that's going to provide you money at the end of the day, which is going to significantly improve your life. Because look, as men, we like to build things, right? Whether it's in a video game or whether it's in real life, we like to build things. So forget wasting time in a digital world, which no one really cares about. Focus on building up a business in real life, which is going to take care of all of your financial problems. And not only that, it's going to build up your life and give you a significantly better life. And the best thing about making money online is that you can work wherever you want. You have the freedom. For example, I can work on a beach, I can work in a cafe, I can go back to the UK and still work, I can go to another country and still work, because my business is on my laptop. So make sure you guys take action today. Again, if you need my help, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and I'll show you how you can make some serious money. Or alternatively, if you want to do this yourself or invest in someone else's program, the main thing is make sure you take action.